Welcome. In front of me is a MEIZU M5S, and today I'll show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you will want to open up Settings, and from Settings scroll down to Storage and Backup, and scroll down where you will find your SD card storage, and you will find Format SD card option below that. Click on it, confirm it. We'll give you a message erasing SD card. Give it a second, and there we go. It's now finished, and the card is ready to be used once again. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.